Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how I make my pie crust. There are many ways to make a pie crust. Every baker I know seems to have the favorite recipe. The most classic pie crust is made with butter. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let me show you beautiful ingredients you will need. You are going to need all-purpose flour, cold butter, ice water, sugar, and salt. This recipe requires only 5 ingredients, guys. Mix all the dry ingredients into my flour. I'm gonna add salt and sugar. Mix well to combine. The key to a good pie crust is everything should be cold. Use the box grater to cut up the butter. I find this way easier than breaking up using a pastry cutter. Using your hands, wet the butter into the flour until the mixture appears crumbly, just like so, guys. I generally freeze butter for about an hour prior to cooking, so guys, make sure everything is cold. Dump all the flour mixture onto a work surface, then create a well in the middle. With this step, guys, you don't have to do it. You can mix everything in a bowl, or if you are using a food processor, you can use that too. Your flour, your butter, and your water should be cold. Add about 6 tablespoons of ice cold water into the center of the flour. Use the dough scraper to mix everything together. If the dough doesn't clump together, add more water, a tablespoon at a time, until the dough comes together. Make sure, guys, you don't overwork your dough. Otherwise, your pie will come out tough, not tender, and not flaky. Keep that in mind, guys. Portion your dough into 4 equal parts. Then wrap it in a plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. This recipe makes 2 double crust pies or 4 pies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and to check some of our pie recipes. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.